This simple dialogue showcases common questions and answers that can occur during a supermarket visit. It covers inquiries about specific product locations, recommendations, discounts, checkout procedures, and payment methods. The dialogue is designed to be easily understandable for beginners and intermediate English learners.
Excuse me, do you know if they have any gluten-free options?
Yes, they have a dedicated section for gluten-free products. It's in aisle 6.
Thank you. I'm also looking for organic vegetables. Where can I find them?
The organic vegetables are located in the produce section, just across from the salad bar.
Great. Are there any sales or promotions happening today?
Yes, they have a 20% off sale on all frozen items and a buy 2, get 1 free deal on snacks.
That's fantastic. Is there a minimum purchase requirement for the discounts?
No, there's no minimum purchase requirement. The discounts apply to all eligible items.
I'm trying to find a specific brand of coffee. Can you help me locate it?
Sure, what's the brand name? I can check if we have it in stock.
The brand is Nescafé Coffee. It's a premium blend. Have you heard of it?
Yes, we carry Nescafé coffee. It's on aisle 3, right next to the tea selection.
Perfect. Can you tell me where I can find dairy-free milk alternatives?
They are in the refrigerated section, right next to the regular dairy products.
Thank you so much for your assistance. Do you know if they provide shopping carts?
Yes, they have shopping carts available near the entrance for your convenience.
By the way, do they accept credit cards here?
Yes, they do. They accept all major credit cards, so you can pay with ease.
I appreciate your help. One last question, do they offer home delivery services?
Yes, they do offer home delivery. You can check with the customer service desk for more information.
That's great to know. Thank you for all your guidance.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could assist you. Enjoy your shopping experience.